G'day mate, it's Chris from down under, Queensland, Gold Coast, Australia. I'll just turn the camera around. This is the floor I've been doing, so it's ready for grouting now. I've been 6 days on the floor and a couple of splashbacks that I had to do. My tools I'll just sort of move as I go, but I know I'm going to have a little bit of trouble with this floor because it's such a dull, it's a dull tile. It's the wood look. It will take a few wipes, so I've got to be very careful because I know it will end up a little bit dusty and smeary, but we'll see how we go. I've got to keep my water clean and I should be right. That's the splashback I did on Friday. Today's Monday. That's the splashback I said to the owners that I would do for free, which I don't mind because, you know, I come in this morning, this is how it's my floor is left. I've just done this splashback in the laundry. I'll clean that mess up as I come in. I've got to put on those couple of skirting tiles yet, but the plumber comes in a day or so because I'll probably have to scribe my tile at the back so it fits into the toilet pan, because it'll be a toilet pan that goes against the wall. But yeah, so I'll start grouting. Yo, it's Chriso from down under, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. Please subscribe to my channel. I bring a video out every 2 days. Subscribe to me and you'll be notified every time they come out. I'm using a travertine. I'll move this in a sec. It's just on wheels. I'll be using a travertine silicone for around the outside. I actually might make that just a little bit runnier. I might even try a wipe and see how I go. When you go around and around in circles and you give it all a rough wipe first, it's called blending. So you give it all a rough wipe first, gets everything all nice. You got to be careful. I've got to be careful where I kneel too, because I can accidentally pull it out with my knee pads. And I don't want that. Always keeping an eye on your grout lines all the time. You've always got a little bit here and there left, so you're able to fix up the odd hole. But this is called blending. You're getting the evenness, and then once I've reached the end, I'll come back and I'll give it a nice wipe. Once I've done this area, I'll change my water. It's very important. And if you hear me puffing, well, it's because I'm getting into it. I had open heart surgery 23 years ago. I had a faulty valve, so they put a titanium valve in, and I go to a doctor now, and one time he said to me, "Are you getting enough exercise?" And I thought, you Wally, I'm not sitting there at a desk. I physically work all day. Hello. You're always looking at your lines. It's going to come up neat, but I know it will dry dusty. But nothing that another wipe or two won't fix. I need a little bit more water in there actually, in my wash buoy. I'm a little bit short of water. I could do with another 10 mil of water, but no biggie. See that? See that? See that? That's bloody beauty. That's what it's going to look like. I gave the owners an option. Did they want light grey grout or this travertine grout? And I reckon their choice is bang on, because it's going to look fairly damn cool. So I'll have another excited, happy customer, and I love it. It's part of the reason why I still do it. So that's the first stage. I'll turn off the camera. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back soon. I'll rinse out my water. I'll wash everything out, give it another wipe off, and then I'll come back to you. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya.